Hello everyone, my name is Mcclendon, and today I bring you guys the famous Dogecoin. This cryptocurrency has been on the news. It's been on almost on all major platforms. So let's talk about it. I'm gonna be doing a price prediction, sharing you also some of where to find the news and some key information that can help you guys out getting involved with this cryptocurrency. Let's begin. So Dogecoin coin market cap is number 9. Has a huge market cap. You guys can find this in pretty much almost every trading platform. It's on Robinhood, it's on Webull, I think Coinbase, Binance. Like, it's pretty easy to get involved with this cryptocurrency, and it has look at the market cap sitting at 34 billion. That's a huge thing, and this thing has been extremely volatile. But let's see if we can find some of the news for this. We'll check their main website, dogecoin.com. So it has some affiliation with that it forked off with Litecoin. Also, it is considered a meme coin initially, but it has some utility. So if you guys want to watch what is Dogecoin, watch this short little video. I do like how they explain a whole lot easier than I do. If you want to look at about how to download it, they have multiple links on here to get a part of it. Also, they have a really good, a very popular Twitter page, 2.2 million followers. Absolutely insane. But if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, Andre J. Mcclendon, same thing for YouTube and all those social medias. Check me out there. But Dogecoin, I mean, I like how much vibrance it gives you, how much energy it gives about it too, because there's so many people being involved. But let's check out the charts, guys. So I'll be using 2 different indicators: Fibonacci's extension and also super trend. Now, I will be using this, the Binance one. If you guys want to use the other charts, you can. But for me, if you guys got part of Dogecoin, you're sitting real fat right now, really in profits. If you are, for me, if I was bought back then, I would lock in some of my profits. If I was trading it, if I was hodling, I would exit some of my position, maintaining that I keep my profits. His name of the game, trading, maintaining profits right here. So, guys, this thing has a huge move up. In the last few days, which is around the daily time frame, is done from a bottom of 21 cents up to 26 cents, so about 5 cents in growth. So for me, I love buying in as market because it gets me into the market. I don't have to miss anything. And if this does increase how it's been going on this current trend, because I believe that the super trend is going to go from green to from red to green, and I love hitting the 161 the 618 extension level. Now that is the optimal entry. I'll hodl and also buy while trading if it goes up to that point. Obviously, nothing goes in a straight line, so if it does go down lower to this low right here, I do the exact same thing, guys. I do a buy limit right here. So if it does if it goes up and if it doesn't go straight line and heads down first, I'll do a buy limit, kicking me in for my trade position. Remember, I do not do more than 2.4% risk for my trade. What is your guys' trade maximum for your risk tolerance? Please tell me below in the comments. I will answer below. But if it hits my buy limit, obviously I'm going to go for the higher high right here, the previous high. I will lock in my trade by moving my stop loss if it keeps on going. Same thing for here. Lock in trade, so if I'm wrong, I can still maintain profits. But if I'm right, I increase my winning. And since Dogecoin has a huge market cap and is so very popular, I will be placing a buy stop at this point right here. So at this high. So, and that will be only for a trade position. I'm going to hodl here, but trade position also here. So 3 trades and 2 hodl positions. So if it goes up here, most likely I'll just hold on to position. If I'm wrong, goes down lower, hits my buy limit, then hits my buy stop, and I carry on. If it hits this top, I will exit this position, this buy stop right here, maintaining that 1, I take home profits. 2, I move my stop losses, maintaining that I have 2 levels of profits. This buy stop will be above it right here, and this buy stop will be probably around the 618 position right here. So that's maintaining profits. Understand that, guys. So my price prediction is going to be 33 cents. About basically 34 cents. So 34 cents is my price target, guys. If you have any questions about that, please drop it below. I will help and I'll build in the conversation. But let's check out my website, AndreJMcClendon.com. and I have different indicators on there and things about MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5. If it, oh, this little thing, if it does go higher, I'll do a recap, saying where I will be moving my stop loss, continuously trading it higher and higher if it goes that route. If it doesn't, I'll do a price update. Just comment below if you guys want Dogecoin more. All right, so we have things about gold and silver statistics. I have things about stocks, my YouTube channel, just to format a little bit differently. But that's the video, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.